Alright, here we go. Courtney and I are taking the old Seadoo SP out. Let's see how it does. How do you think it's gonna do?
It's gonna be fine.
It's a pretty flat lake today. Well, now it is. It was kind of rough earlier, but
come on.
shallow here? Yeah, just go like this. You're good. You're good. Right here. It's like, wait, this is like the perfect area. Alright, so Courtney and I made it down here to the sandbar, and it's pretty late, so most of the boats are gone, but we brought ourselves some adult beverages. Thanks for getting that out of there.
I felt that all the way from here.
Ah, it's cold. Thanks for filming that. That's gonna look cool. Hey guys, we're here in a lake in Michigan, and Courtney and I are out on the jet ski. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave me a like for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments if you want to see us ride the Seadoo SP more. It's Courtney's now, but Courtney's my girlfriend, so I have access to it. Alright, so we're on our way back now. That was so much fun. Oh, if you go much slower, we're gonna tip over.
Stop.
I'm not doing that. That's the waves.